Hello, welcome to another Christy Crypto video. Today I'm just looking at PancakeSwap's new NFT team building point system profile launch. I've not seen anything like this in DeFi yet. It's adding a bit of stickiness to PancakeSwap. I also do the lottery at the end, so stick around if I win $150,000. If you want to know how to get started in Cake DeFi, I would actually recommend it because of the fees are minimal, especially when you're comparing it to Ethereum. Oh my god. And if you are looking to get started, I also have a video on how you can set up your MetaMask wallet to actually link with the Binance Smart Chain. Just go into my videos, it's a PancakeSwap video, everything you need to know to get started. So stick around, see what team I'm going to join, see if I win the lottery. Let's roll. PancakeSwap launches NFT profiles, teams, and point system. This is different. I'm not seeing any DeFi dApp pull out anything like this yet. The guys over at PancakeSwap are adding a little bit of stickiness to Cake. A few weeks ago, Cake's price was literally down at 50 cents. 11th of January, hit a high of $3. So that's a pretty good percentage gain. Let's take a look at that. That is straight up 500%. 500%. You just bought when you crazy. Anyway, it's coming down. It's currently sitting at 2.3. It's actually looking bullish. On the daily, so much, but on the 4 hours, we could see a nice bounce here on the 4 hours. But I'm not trading this. I hold my hands up. I missed Cake. I've made videos on Cake. I like the Binance. I like Cake. Look at me. I like Cake. That's easy to tell. But the guys over at PancakeSwap are adding this new stickiness to it. They're adding profiles, team points. How this is going to work, I don't know. It's in early stages, but today I'm going to be setting up my Cake profile. I've also got a lottery ticket here, which ends in 54 minutes. So let's see if we are the winners, because I'm a gambler. Let's quickly have a look at the steps here. It says step 1, choose your starter NFT. This is going to cost 4 Cake to choose that. Step 2, set your profile picture. Step 3, join a team. Step 4, set your name and complete your profile. That's going to cost 1 Cake, so there's 5 Cake so far. Complete your profile, another Cake. Explore the pages, public profile. Oh, they're going to release tasks for teams to do. Okay, let's join a team. Let's go. Let's set this up. Okay, first of all, I've got to choose my starter. You can't see the 2 at the bottom. You can now. Who shall I go for? Sleepy, Sunny, Churro, Dollop, or Twinkle? For me, it's between Sleepy, Churro, and Dollop. I'm going to go with Dollop. I've got to go with Dollop. Alright, we're going to approve this. We're going to spend the 5 Cake with only a 5-cent fee. All this doesn't matter. All these fees don't matter because I'm going to win the lottery in a minute. So that's confirmed. Let's confirm this. The only NFT that I have here is the Dollop NFT, so we're going to confirm that. Something new to DeFi, just having an explore. You know, we're just exploring. Now, the third step is that we have to choose our team. By the look of it, the Cakers, they've got 950 people. That's a strong team. That's what I was going to go with, because I'm not really a big fan of syrup. I like my teeth to stay good. The fearsome flippers remind me of burger flipping, but I do like flipping a pancake. I have fun flipping pancakes. I'm gonna go with the fearsome flippers. I'm going with the fearsome flippers. I'm with you, boys. Now I've got to enter my name. Obviously, that's gonna be Christy Crypto. No spaces allowed. Let's get rid of the space. We sign our name with our wallet signature. That's going to cost 1 Cake. Approve that. Right, so now the profile has been created. I have my Binance Smart Chain PancakeSwap profile. I guess this is going to be your little hub on PancakeSwap where you can collect NFT, get points for doing certain things. Probably to do with spending a lot of money or giving liquidity to a pool, but overall, I do like this. It's adding stickiness. Maybe they bring out some games. Maybe this will link up to like the sandbox or link up to something else in the Binance Smart Chain. And I know Binance Smart Chain might get some stick for being a centralized cryptocurrency chain, but at the end of the day, this whole cryptocurrency ecosystem is going to consist of all kinds of different things. And in a recent interview with Michael Saylor, I heard him even mention Binance Smart Chain, comparing it to Ethereum, and he said it could be a centralized chain that wins the smart contract race. So why not? You know, you've got to diversify into a few different things. Plus, Binance is just killing it. You'd have to be a bit foolish to say that Binance are not going to succeed. And there'll be new things coming out soon. Now, let's stick around and see if I'm going to win this lottery. I'm going to edit this video. Hope it won't take very long. And then we'll see if I'm going to be the champion. I keep tweeting at the pancake guys saying that I've been on my knees praying with pancakes under each kneecap. This morning, for good luck in the pancake lottery, I actually put pancakes on my nipples. So let's see if that makes a difference in this week's lottery. PancakeSwap has come a long way though since my first video on it. It has improved. I like all the tabs here at the side. Here's all the farms, so you can just earn for every. I like this as well. Not many DeFi things have this, where they actually tell you how much cake you're gonna earn. So every $1,000, you can earn 2.35 cake daily. So that's like, at the moment, like $4 a day, just for providing liquidity to these pools. You don't lose out on anything. And at the moment, if you hold this for a year, you're gonna get 2,851 cakes. I know they're burning a lot of cake. Let's go to the lottery. We're 4 minutes away. This is my ticket here. 14, 7, 11, and 7 again. What we have to do is, if we match 4 numbers, I will get 85,000 cake. If we match 3 numbers, I'll get 34,000 cake. They have to be in the right order as well. If we match 2 numbers, we're going to get 17,000 cake. And then at the end of this, they're going to burn 34,000 cake. Lessening the supply. I know some people, me included, actually think that burning a coin is kind of like useless, because it's like the company could, or the business, or the chain, the coin, you can't really say company, but the people behind cake could actually use this for development. But, you know, tokenomics, BNB burn their token. It does, I mean, it lessens the supply, so I guess pumpermentals and all that stuff. So I think BNB is going to be a big performer. BNB is also good because you get the fees taken away from buying coins on Binance. And when we get into alt season, everyone just goes crazy. Everyone thinks they're a trader. BNB will do well. We've seen FTX do well. Right now, I'm just rambling and waiting for this 3 minutes to come down. I mean, if I had some pancakes around me, I'd probably be putting pancakes on my nipples again. I really want to win this. I really want to win this. When I was first doing the lotteries, these tickets, it was only 10 cakes to begin with. Back when a cake was only $5 to enter. Now you want to enter, it's going to cost you $20 to enter this lottery, because the price of cake's gone up so much. But that's where it comes. That's where farming cake comes in. Like right now, you can get much higher percentage rates on farming lit and BNB. So every $1,000 of this, you can get 7.25 cake a day. That's nearly a lottery ticket a day. So what people do is quickly buy the coin. Obviously, you have to have BNB and the lit token in an equal share. You provide them to the pool, and I think Cake have done really well in it, like by adding the lottery and adding these NFTs. They're adding stickiness to their DeFi platform. And although I know I made a video on Liquid yesterday where they're actually trying to like solve real world issues with like decentralized finance in emerging countries, but this is more for like Western fun stuff. It's not trying to change the world. But let's here we go. 1 minute left. Let's do this. Pray for me. Pray for me. This is not live, but do it now. I'm getting your future energy. It would be nice if they had some sort of animation where like the numbers come up in real time. I have never won. Okay, the lottery is over. Let's refresh. 104 people managed to match 2 numbers. 7 people managed to match 3 numbers. No people matched 4 numbers. I matched no numbers. I did have an 11, but not in the right place. I'm not gonna cry. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you want to get involved in PancakeSwap, go check out my other video. I can tell you how to set it up. And yeah, I'm not gonna cry, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.